This is homework 24. Question 1. Sketch the line given the intercepts. X-intercept is at 1. Y-intercept is at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This gets our graph. So we have a line that looks like this. X-intercept is at 2. Y-intercept is at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a line that looks like that. X-intercept is at -3. Y-intercept is at 2. We have a line that looks like that. Here the x-intercept is at 2. The y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X-intercept is at -2. Y-intercept is at 4. X-intercept is at -3. Y-intercept is at -1. Our x-intercept would be 5x equals -30 divided by 5. X equals -6. Y-intercept would be 5y equals -30 divided by 5. Y equals -6. So pretend I can draw through our points. X-intercept here, 6x equals 36 divided by 6. X equals 6. -12y equals 36 divided by -12. Y equals -3. X-intercept is 5. 2y equals 5 divided by 2. So y equals 5 halves. Well, how many times does 2 go into 5? Twice with 1 left over, so that's 2.5. Right in between 2 and 3. Next page. 3x equals 6 divided by 3. X equals 2. Y equals 6 divided by -1. Y equals -6. -4x equals 6 divided by -4. X equals -6 over 4, which simplifies to -3 halves. So 2 goes into 3 once with 1 left over, so -1.5 for the x-intercept. Y-intercept is 3y equals 6 divided by 3. Y equals 2. Here the, let's move the x over, right, by adding 2x to both sides. So here we get 2x plus y equals -6, so the x-intercept, 2x equals -6 divided by 2. X equals -3. Y-intercept, y equals -6. Word problem here. I used sold tickets to the school play. Advanced tickets were $4. Tickets bought at the door were $5. Total ticket sales were $440. Let X represent the number of advanced tickets sold, and Y represent the number of tickets sold at the door. Write an equation to represent the number of tickets sold. So that would be number of advanced tickets. So where X represent the number of advance, and Y is tickets sold at the door. So advanced tickets were $4, so it would be 4x plus 5y equals 440. Graph the equation. So 4 goes into 440, 110. So let's say this point here, out here is 110, 0. and 5 goes into 440, 88. So let's say this point up here is 88, 0, comma 88. And so we're going to have a line that goes like this. And what are the three possibilities? So it would be, 110 advanced and 0 of the other, or 0 advanced and 88 at the door, and then any combination on this line that made sense. And I'm not going to figure that out. You guys can figure that out. Another word problem. Help a teacher move books. The math books weigh 3 pounds each. The science book weigh 4 pounds each. You can carry 24 pounds in one load. Make a graph showing the number possible of each type of book you carry. So this is X, we'll call math books, and Y we'll call science books. So 3M or X plus 4S or Y equals 24. Is it possible? So the same thing, 3 math books, so we could carry, or 3 pound math books, so we could carry a possibility of 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, and 4 goes into 24 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'd have a graph of a line looking like this, and any combination on that line. So is it possible to carry 5 math books in one load? Yeah, 5 math books would be 15 pounds. You'd still have 9 pounds left over. So yes.